Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Welcome back to my channel. Well, as you can see, we're back in the van, my favorite place to be. And in front of me here, in this little sack, is a new chair. This is from a company called TCEK, or maybe our TCEK, but there's a little tent on there. It looks really cute. But this company reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing this chair in my van. And you know what I said? Heck yes, I would. So here we are. So normally what I use is a camping chair, and you can see that these camping chairs take up quite a big footprint in the van. And I actually have been looking for a smaller chair that I could put in here that would kind of be dual purpose. That's how I operate. I want something that I can use inside and something that I can use outside. I don't want to bring two chairs. But I was looking for something a little bit smaller, but not like a youth chair. An adult chair that didn't take up a ton of space, that would be dual purpose for me in and out of the van. So when this company reached out, I was so excited about it. Told them yes, I would do it. So we're gonna put this chair together in the van, and we're gonna see how it works and all the benefits of this chair. And I actually can't wait to show it to you. I watched some videos about it and I'm very excited about it. So I'm hoping it's going to work as well as I think it's gonna work in here. As you can see, I have my little tray down here because when I'm van camping by myself and I use this setup, this little tray is down all the time. And I wanted you to get a good idea of where the chair came, this camp chair came up to this little folding tray here. So get a good visual. I'm gonna take this chair out, we're gonna put this chair together, and we're gonna see how this chair fits in the van and how I like it. All right, let's get into it. All right, let's get rid of this one. I'm gonna put it under my bed here. That's where all my stuff goes, all right? And we have quite a bit of space here. Let me just show you. Quite a bit of space for this chair to reside. So let me hop out of the van, get it out of the bag, and we'll get it set up. Okay, let's take it out of the bag, see how it sets up, see how it fits in the van, and see what other awesome feature it has, which I'm very excited about. I will say it's a little heavy, so definitely not for hiking. Definitely not a hike in and hike out type chair. All right. Okay. All right. So far, so good. It's got a strap here. It's got a strap on the other inner legs. It would help if I had my glasses on, but they're dark right now because it's so sunny out. So I don't want to have dark glasses on. Okay. So, all right. This is what we're gonna do. Okay. So basically, they pull out and they snap. Looks like this one. Whoop, hang on a second. Oh, there we go. This must be the back because it's taller. Okay, got it. Where's the button? Oh, geez. There we go. All right, very simple, easy, and it turns 360, guys. All right, so right now, just looking at it in my van, I haven't had it in the van yet. It seems to sit back a little bit. I could put a pillow back there. This is more of a lounge chair for outside at a bonfire, but I wanted it for inside of my van because I wanted to have a smaller chair that wouldn't take up so much area. And the bonus is this thing spins 360, okay? Look at that. So it can go anywhere, fit anywhere. And it is solid. Again, it is not lightweight, definitely not a hiking chair, just saying. But sturdy as all get out. Holds like 300 pounds or something like this. All right, let's look at this real quick. I've got a good deal of space here between the chair and my tray. And actually, because there's no arms on this chair, I could actually move this over here like this. I could move it anywhere. I could set it right here and face back and just have a ton of room. I'm looking forward to it. All right, I'm gonna probably hop in the other side where the camera is. Well, maybe I could try to get in here. I want to put those on, but they're dark. All right, I'm gonna put this up. I'm gonna hop in, hit my fan. We're gonna see how this goes. So it sits back a little bit. Not a deal breaker, but it's very comfortable. Now, my van floor isn't level, so it has nothing to do with the chair. It has everything to do with my van floor, but I can fix that. I could put something under there, but I know my head is hitting. Very comfortable. This is actually quite nice because if I wanted to sit up, I'd simply just put a pillow behind me. If I wanted to sit up. Ooh, there we go. And again, because it's so small and it doesn't have arms, I can sit anywhere. Oh, I'm in one of the holes. There we go. All right, look at this. This is a very good situation for me. This is a great chair. I'm gonna take it out and put it on the cement so you can get a good view of it out there. All right, and I'll take the pillow down. Look how tiny that is. That's tiny. That's perfect for me. And it spins. Whoops. Spins. It's probably spin better if I sat in it. So it's super solid, very sturdy, very comfortable. An in and out chair. Campfire in the van, right? Woo! This is bomb.com, people. Very, very happy that this company reached out to me about this chair. I could sit up straight, I could lean back, I could put my feet on my refrigerator, which made you get a little jiggly, sorry about that. But anyhow, I would give this chair a 2 thumbs up. I love the fact that it is compact. It comes in a little case, so when I'm done with it, I could just put it in a little bag and tuck it away. I love the fact that it has a 360-degree swivel on it, which is really very, very convenient when you're in a small space, right? And it doesn't have arms. I don't need arms. It fits perfectly with my tray here. This chair is fantastic. So anyone looking for a small chair that rotates 360, this chair is for you. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you're interested, check out the links to this chair in the description box. That would be fantastic. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love that. Thank you to all my new subscribers, old subscribers. All right, everyone, you guys have a fabulous evening. I will catch you later. Until next time.